Day 50 of 100. Let's go. At the halfway mark. Thank y'all for following the journey and staying tapped in. Good morning, God. Thank you for another day. None of this is possible without you. Thank you. Amen. Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you, universe. Thank you, nature, for blessing me with this time freedom to work on myself, to evolve, to grow. Yahweh, thank you for helping me work on my mindset, removing distractions that were holding me back. Thank you for these 50 days that have helped me lock in and realize the best version of myself. God, thank you for helping me stay aligned with my purpose. Thank you for helping me stay focused. Thank you for helping me work on my emotions and my attitude. Thank you for helping me stay in good spirits. Thank you for helping me challenge myself. God, thank you for helping us stay persistent and aligned with our purpose. Thank you for every breath and the circulation of blood through our body. Thank you for a healthy, beating heart. God, thank you for sending us wise messages through any shape or form. Thank you for helping us answer those messages. Yahweh, thank you for listening and answering our prayers. Yahweh, thank you for blessing us with all the essentials to live our best life. I'm forever grateful. Thank you for helping me grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.